Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Ever wondered about the Roth 401k and how it works? It's a special kind of retirement plan offered by your employer, quite different from a traditional 401k. You contribute money that has already been taxed, meaning those dollars are post-tax. The truly incredible part is that when you retire and take qualified withdrawals, they are completely tax-free. This unique benefit can be incredibly powerful for your long-term financial growth, really securing your future. Before anything else, you'll need to confirm if your employer actually offers a Roth 401k option within their retirement plan. Not all companies do, so checking with human resources is your first step. It's generally a fantastic choice if you anticipate being in a higher tax bracket during retirement, as your current contributions are taxed now, not later. This setup allows your money to grow completely tax-free over many, many years, providing peace of mind. Setting up your Roth 401k is often simpler than you might think. Your first step is to contact your Human Resources Department or your company's designated plan administrator. They are the best resource and will provide all the necessary enrollment forms, along with clear, detailed instructions. During this process, you'll typically choose how much you want to contribute from each paycheck and then select your initial investment options, making it a very straightforward process. Once enrolled, you'll decide exactly how much to contribute from each paycheck, up to the annual limits set by the IRS. It's wise to be aware of those. Next, it's crucial to consider how you want to invest your contributions. Diversifying your money across different asset classes, like stocks and bonds, is often a smart strategy for long-term growth. Your plan administrator can offer guidance on the specific fund options available, helping you make very informed decisions. Choosing a Roth 401k can be a truly powerful move for your financial future. The biggest advantage, of course, is enjoying completely tax-free withdrawals in retirement, a truly significant benefit down the road. It essentially combines the incredible tax advantages of a Roth IRA with the higher contribution limits typically found in a traditional 401ks. Starting early allows your money significantly more time to grow exponentially, helping you build a robust and secure retirement fund for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.